about the dark spots?
Splinter hemorrhages.
Did that happen at the bottom towards the nail or the cuticle and then move its way up, or it can happen anywhere?
It can happen anywhere.
How many years have you been doing YouTube videos?
About 5 years for the YouTube videos and 27 years for being a nail technician. Do you normally do your feet at home or do you go to a salon?
It's the crazy pandemic.
Oh yes, people are nervous.
Yeah.
They want to know that proper protocol is being followed. Unless it can be disinfected. So that kind of thing. And then, like, they used to make pedicure tubs different with like pipes that moved the air and stuff like that, and they don't make those anymore because bacteria can grow within the tubes on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
So they don't do that.
Makes sense.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a dentist.
Nice.
So we're all about. When I was a kid, I used to go to Tel 12 Mall in Southfield. It's not there anymore. There's little pieces of it still there, but it's all big box stores. And there was
Right.
the white bands that I have on my nails.
Those white spots?
Yeah. Does that need any further treatment?
Not if they buff right off. Sometimes they can go deeper. Sometimes it's just dehydration from nail polish. Sometimes it's something called white superficial onychomycosis. But if they buff right off and they aren't down deep in the layers, then it's nothing to worry about. Have you had problems with athlete's foot or anything in the past?
Never.
Yeah, seems to be good.
When I was in school, I had some facial work.
You had what?
So daily treatment.
Mm-hmm.
Does it matter what time of day you do it?
Nope. Nope. Just, I mean, we tell them morning and night.
You let them breathe a little bit.
No nail polish because it can't penetrate through nail polish. It has to go into the nail plate. So, yeah. It's awesome. Like, I wish I could sit around all day and make before and after pictures of people's stuff, but I just don't have time. Like, I need an assistant to just do that.
How many days are you here?
I just shortened my schedule to 3 days a week because I work 11-hour days and it's just too much. It's too hard on my body. So you're ready for some pretty feet then.
I hope so.
Yeah, I would suggest starting to use the nail mycosis product. Does it hit the top of your shoe?
The top, yeah. The bottom, I feel like that's scraping.
Well, maybe before you leave, you can make one more appointment before your surgery so we can get them all thinned.
Okay, got it. Do they have more nail problems when the average person?
It doesn't seem. I ask people who come in here with a lot of issues if they're diabetic, and they're not. So this toenail, does this toe bend?
Yeah.
A little bit. Yeah. So it's going down and it's pushing the tip of your toe up.
Yeah.
Yeah, see how tight that tendon is?
It was the same surgery on both feet, but the left one was always the worst of the two. And yeah, both my parents had pretty bad bunions.
Aw.
We have a lot of pine trees though, and then when we drop the needles, we get one of those, starting to make that is not pleasant.
No, pokey.
Maybe after cleaning up a little bit, I would definitely start with the book. You see tulips popping up.
Yeah. I had to go get a package off my neighbor's porch for them because they were out of town.
So have you always had your salon in Salon?
Mm-hmm. I've worked in other salons, but when we opened our own salon, we've been here for 18 years.
Same location?
Yep.
Is online friends. One lives in Vegas, and then two others will be joining us there, and one's coming with their parents, and I don't know about the other one.
Oh, fun.
We've been to Vegas before in the middle of the summer. It's
17. And their favorite thing to do is to procrastinate. So
they don't see it that way.
it's like the one thing that they are great at.
My niece is going to give birth to her second child towards the end of May, and I would love to be able to visit. They're in Texas, so I guess
Okay. 6 to 8 weeks. So I think 8 weeks for you, so it'll be right before your surgery.
yeah. Did that happen at the bottom towards the nail or the cuticle? And
The light's always so weird in here.